Hi guys, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the purpose of the trip to Dollar Tree was I needed some command strips. So I did find these ones here. They are the 3M command strips, and they hold 0.5 pounds. You get 2 in a package, so hopefully they work for what I need them for. This would be nice to include it in a gift basket for a gift, or with Mother's Day coming up. That would be really nice. These are by Be Pure, and it is a foot spa kit. You get the foot scrub, the foot mask, and the foot lotion, and they are 8.33 grams each. So if you guys have saw my last hauls, you will know that I have been picking up items in this line, Same Moi, and I have found a couple more items at a different Dollar Tree, which I am super excited about because I am going to be making some gifts out of these items because I think it would be an awesome gift to receive. If I hadn't seen these at Dollar Tree, I definitely would have enjoyed all of these items. So this one here is the Same Moi It's Me Gentle Moisture Lotion. Made for young, delicate skin. It is 50 mils, so 1.7 fluid ounces. And as usual, it is clean ingredients, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and EWG verified. So a great product for $1.50 here in Canada. And then I also ended up picking up this by Same Moi It's Me, the Visionary Metallic Makeup Crayon Set, which I was super excited about. So here you see the different colors. So awesome. Channel your inner visionary with these celestial shades that provide the perfect metallic finish. Easy to blend while brightening the eyes and face with electrifying cosmic color. So you get Silver, Star Bright, Luna, and Supernova. So they are 1.60 grams or 0.056 ounces each. I was really excited about this. Okay guys, so as with the other items that I found in this line, I tried to look up a price so that we could compare the $1.50 from Dollar Tree to other places that could be selling this and what they are selling it for. So when I looked up the Same Moi Gentle Moisture Lotion at Walmart.com, it showed $14.97. So again, a great deal. And when I looked up the Visionary Metallic Makeup Crayon Set, I found that at Walmart.com they would sell the crayons separately, but I did see that at Target they were selling them for $24.49 for the set of 4. So that is a phenomenal deal. I think if you guys can get your hands on these, you should pick them up. Whether you get them for yourself or you put them together to make a really, really nice gift for someone, I think that you or anyone who receives these will not be disappointed. So here is an example of a gift that I would put together with all these products. And if I add up all of the prices that I found online to different places that sell these items, this altogether would come to roughly around $110 US. That is a phenomenal deal when you could be paying $9 at Dollar Tree. Next, I was in the floral section, and I have to say I love the new florals and greenery that is coming into the Dollar Tree. A lot of them now that are coming in look much more realistic. So if you're like me and enjoy using artificial flowers outside, then this would be definitely a plus for you as well. So I came across these greenery picks and I saw them in 3 different shades of green. So here we have this one, which is more of an olive color green, really pretty. And you can see that the greenery pick is short. So these would be great to use them in an arrangement, or even if you wanted to make a wreath using these. That would be beautiful and much more affordable than purchasing a wreath already made for $1.50. I think that's a great price. This one here was a brighter green. And then this one here had the like frosted. It's not frosted, but I can't think of the name of this actual type of greenery. But so pretty. This definitely was a great find. I'm not sure yet whether I will be making a wreath using these or using them in a centerpiece. But I have a feeling that if I see them again, I will be picking up a few more. Okay guys, so here's just an example. I just placed them around like a wreath, and this was the idea I had to mix all the different shades of green. And how beautiful is this? And this you would probably pay for all of the items that I got. It would be about $18, because here in Canada, as I said, each item is $1.50. So I did purchase 4 of each, which would make it 12. So that would be, yeah, around $18. And even though it is a little bit on the higher end, definitely I think if you had to purchase this at Michael's or even Walmart, I've seen wreaths there for $30, you still would be paying cheaper. And I really love that you could either have it all one color or mix it up like this. I think it's really pretty and a really great deal, and something you can say you made yourself from Dollar Tree. And the last item that I have to show you is another amazing item that Dollar Tree has really been stepping their game up on, and that is these decor signs. I have to say this is probably one of my favorite from the Dollar Tree so far. It is the MDF, but I love how they layered this piece on the outside and had it a different color from the one on the inside that looks like shiplap, but in a darker stained wood. And then they have the word thankful that matches the frame on the outside. I absolutely love this. It definitely looks like something that you would find at Michael's and would definitely be more expensive than $1.50, even with 50% off. So for $1.50, this is a beautiful decor piece to have in your home or to gift to someone. I was really happy. Even though I didn't pick up a lot of things today, what I did pick up was a great deal. Well guys, that'll do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.